Hello world! Today in Genergy, we are delving into the programming of a soundproof Genergy diesel generator to expand your understanding. An example, for watering, you wanted to start watering at 2 and you wanted to finish at 5 in the morning, but not every day. One day yes, another day no. Yes, every day, once a month. That is, however you want, program it to work that way. Or perhaps because you want that during the night, in that scrapyard at the exit, your generator starts working all night so that everything is illuminated, the alarms, etc., etc. I don't know, for whatever you want, we are going to learn how to access that configuration program of the DSE, of that computer that our generators carry to make with it that way of working neglected. Automatically. Don't miss it.
The primary task in three-phase generators involves bridging connections, one linking 30 to 31 and another connecting 32 to 33, establishing a proper setup. In single-phase generators, it will be one between 26 and 27 and another between 28 and 29. Next, in the DSE, we'll have to hit the automatic.
To effortlessly access the programming menu, we simply use these two specific keys together, which I'm highlighting for you with these arrows. In this way, we will enter the programming menu.
After this step, we proceed to the program editor and begin configuring. We hit enter. It will be inactive. But what we have to do is activate it. For programming, we utilize two banks. In particular, bank 1 accommodates 8 distinct programs. And this is bank 2, where we'll have 8 other programs. Altogether, there will be 16 programs ready to be executed in sequence. Displayed here is the start time along with the operational duration that we prefer for the process. As an illustration, we might specify that the operation initiates every Monday starting at 1200 AM and continues until 1200 PM, running intermittently for durations such as 5 minutes. When using the programmer editor and activating the programmer, we navigate to the program period associated with Manco number 1. Here, we encounter two programming options. The weekly schedule allows selection of any weekday from Monday to Sunday, and it automatically repeats each week. Scheduling it for Monday implies running the program on Monday, and then executing the boot process you set up on Monday of the following week, as well as the monthly schedule. The monthly schedule encompasses the 4 weeks typically found within a calendar month, providing systematic programming choices. You could configure as many as 16 distinct programs, such as initiating on the Monday of the second week at 12 o'clock, followed by a 2-hour operational period before stopping. It is much more limited because it only has 16 programs per month. As soon as we join the ProBank program during its term, on call 1, we successfully surpass the leading programmer.
We meet at enter.
Presented here are 3 possible settings: no load, auto start inhibit, and with load. It is always advisable to keep it charged. Next, we need to configure the start time. For instance, we might set it to 6 o'clock in the morning.
It would be the hours, and this would be the minutes.
And then time running. Time working, this is the hours and these are the minutes. We will want to put it, for example, 2 hours and, for example, 10 minutes.
Do we confirm?
And now it would be the day of the week. It would be Monday to Sunday. For example, on Wednesdays, I would start at 6 in the morning. I would be running for 2 hours and 10 minutes and then stop. So we have already done this program. We hit enter to confirm it, and now we leave it in automatic, and that program would start every day of, that is, it would start on the day of the week that we have programmed it, at the time that we have programmed it, and it would be working for the time that we have programmed it.
You must be familiar with our colleague Eriko's detailed explanation about the process configuration. There is no longer an excuse, we already know how to do it, but if you need help, more information at genergy.es. On this page that you are seeing, there is our contact, and there is also the section that you are seeing after sales. Feel free to reach out if you have any inquiries regarding this program or other topics. All right? And nothing more, an important piece of advice: it is forbidden to stop learning.